Hi all, this is Sanmitra from Welfare Institute of Science, Technology and Management, and we'll be starting our first project in IoT. So blinking an LED is a kind of hello world program in case of IoT. So we'll be using an Arduino board and an LED. These two are the requirements, and if you see in the block diagram you can observe that. Yeah, can you show the LED once? Yes, this LED will be having two legs. The first one, I mean the longer one and the shorter one. Coming to these things, longer one is called anode and it should be connected to the 13th pin, and the shorter one is called cathode and it should be connected to the ground. So we will not be using any kind of breadboard here because we have these direct contacts. You can observe that our friend is connecting this thing. The ground and 13 pin are connected. So this completes the setup phase. So in order to program this board, we need an IDE called Arduino Ide, and the IDE looks like the thing you can see on the screen. And this will be having two parts. One is called setup and the second one is called loop. The setup will be like the things that are to be done at the starting of the board, and the loop is the function that will be iterated throughout its lifetime till its power is off. So first thing is, as you can see that we are selecting this 13th pin as output pin. So I'll be saving that thing here in a variable. I'm taking an integer variable called LED pin and it is given a value 13. And the second thing is, now I need to configure this pin as output pin because we need to inform the board that it should be taken as an output pin. That thing will be done only once, so I am writing that in the setup function. So I am calling a function called pin mode, which is an inbuilt function, and I'll be passing the LED pin and making it as output. So this completes our configuration part, and the final thing we need to do is we need to write the code for blinking the LED on and off. This can be done use calling function called digital write. This digital write function will be used to inform the board that it should turn on or turn off the things. So the first argument should be LED pin, and the first argument should be LED pin, and the next one should be high or low. High means it will be turning on the LED, and I'm again calling the same function, and now I am changing the second argument as low, which will turn off the LED, but this can't be seen directly because of the transmission delay. So I'll be using one more function called delay, which is also an inbuilt function, and it takes an argument of an integer. Here 1000 refers to 1000 microseconds, which means 1 second. So after after the LED is on, the program wait for 1000 microseconds, which means 1 second, and then the next line will be executed, which turns off the thing. And here also I'll be using the same 1000 microseconds so that we can see a clear delay between the on and off. So the program is done, and first thing is we need to save. You can see here done saving, which means saving is completed. Now we need to verify the things. You can see this is a compilation task and it will be checked for an errors, any kind of those things. Okay, we have successfully completed the sketch, and the final thing is we need to upload it onto the board. Yeah, yes, as you can see that if you alter the legs, it will not show any kind of output. you can see that the LED is blinking, which is on and offing all the time for every 1 second. So it shows that we successfully completed our first project. Thank you.